Hi, my name's Sigo, and this little video explains the content of my workshop on Friday the 18th of October at the 8th ELT Multi-Conference. Well, some of you might remember mastering the art of masking out words and phrases we want to hide from our students on their photocopied handouts, or updating the handout with more up-to-date pictures using state-of-the-art scissors, glue and glossy magazines. In our workshop at the upcoming conference, we'll be looking at 21st century tools which help with being creative with our class handouts and simultaneously prepare the corresponding classroom presentations. Some of you might even remember old school tactics to make sure we get to the right listening tracks for our listening stage without wasting time looking for it during the lesson. During this workshop, we'll look and learn to use free online tools to do all this and more. We will also discuss some of the benefits of having tailor-made handouts and class presentations, together with tips to help us look like we know what we're doing when technology goes haywire in class.